So I'm going to give you a number.
Well, today we have brought our STEAM crate. We have a variety of crates for the kids, and today we have what we call obsolete technological artifacts. So we have things all the way back from turn of the century for like phones, cameras, basically everything that is in our cell phone now. So we're really showing kids how to look at art, and I personally think to see art in the world. I love the STEAM crate because it shows the children that, art is everywhere. It's not just like a picture on the wall. It's, it's the design of the telephone, it's the design of the cell phone, it's, everything.
Well, they think that stuff is really cool because they've never seen it before. Trying to watch them dial the phones is really interesting. Something that, we grew up just doing it every day, and they're like struggling to get that dial to go around, just not knowing how to use it. It's interesting.
I think my favorite one and the coolest one is the camera. I think that one was really cool because I've never really seen a camera like that before. I've seen a whole bunch of different ones, but not one that's that old.
Well, there was an old telephone. I knew how to dial the numbers. And I've seen one of those phones in the library because, and my mom had taught me how to use it.
So it's broadening their horizons when it comes to what art really is. They've only experienced art in this classroom, like with paper and stuff, and knowing that there are 3D pieces, different pieces that are actually art. So they broaden it and learn a lot more.
The kids love it, and I think they like all of the objects, but they especially like the three-dimensional objects, the things that they can see from far away and touch and hold. That's what they like the best, but mostly a lot of excitement.
This year, Duke Energy provided our school with a grant to be able to fund this for the Speed Art Museum to come in. So they fund it for them to come into our school. We do 14 classes with second, third, and fourth. Each year it's usually funded by a business or organization or something that helps bring it in.